Here comes Jumajao. Jumajao against Sagilip. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Jumajao. Here comes Katabas. Behind the back. Bounce pass to Pahanil. Order number from the outside. Pass. Get it through. Jumajao. Jumajao. Let's get by Pahanil. Pahanil to Mr. Mr. MVP and Danny Cordero. Wala na takip yung ulam natin. Mr. MVP Chris Alas. Position and the spin by Estrella Tucan. Chris He's first now. Here we go, Miss Media, against the white. All to Steve. Miss Anna, and the pass. Exinas, let's see that. Pajarito, against Ventaja. Pajarito on the right. For two. Bola for two.
Yan lang.
Pass. Wow. By Door. Ever pass. Diamantado against the match. Diamantado now on set of the air. Save Estrella. Pass to Pajarito. Pajarito. Getting some traffic. Good speed. Pass to Estrella. Jump shot. For two. 62. Here we go. Estrella. Estrella on the ball. On the ball. Here we go, Mr. MVP. Twister, twist. Pajarito, jump shot, open for three. Now for three. Oh, Pajarito. Here comes Mr. MVP. Natin this coming Thursday of the championship best of three, game two. Ball and number two. That's 130. Players racing, and the game one goes to Omi Sotomayor. Game two natin this coming Thursday. Game two Thursday. Player chickens. Player chickens. Nice game. Nice game. Nice game. Nice game. Oh, bahala. Wala mo nang lalabas. Ang project na ni Asia